morning, Orleans Parish District Attorney Jason Williams will be in court, but not as a prosecutor. He and his law partner are defending themselves against tax fraud allegations. Williams and Nicole Burdett are scheduled to be in a federal appeals court today. They're accused of inflating their expenses and not reporting cash payments in order to owe less taxes. Williams has said his tax preparer was to blame. They were supposed to go to trial in January. That got pushed back when then U.S. District Judge Martin Feldman ruled certain evidence against Williams could not be admitted into court, including evidence of Williams' past tax troubles. Well, today the appeals court will hear arguments on why the government feels that evidence should be included. And as we've learned, another high-profile case is being delayed as a result. Tristan Land joins us live from the U.S. Court of Appeals for New Orleans to explain. Tristan?
Yeah, good morning. That's right. Former Sheriff Jack Strain was supposed to be sentenced in federal court today on a bribery charge, but that case got pushed back to next month. And it may be, according to court filings, because of the Williams case. Strain pled guilty last year to a bribery charge involving a kickback scheme tied to an inmate work release program. It was a scheme exposed in part thanks to Eyewitness News investigative reporter Katie Moore and the New Orleans Advocate. And for that case, he faces a maximum of 10 years and a $250,000 fine. He is already serving 4 consecutive life sentences after being convicted on 8 charges involving sex crimes against children. Now, in new court filings, his attorney said they want a delay in his sentencing until after the Williams case is heard by the appeals court. At issue in the Williams case is whether the government can introduce evidence that Williams had a history of late tax payments or late filings. The judge said, in part, that had very little in common with the new charges of tax fraud. Attorney Williams Givens is listed as an attorney in both the Williams case and the Strain case. It's unclear if the delay in sentencing is because of a scheduling conflict or if there's a correlation between the two cases. The U.S. government, of course, was a prosecutor agency in both. We reached out to their legal team but have not heard back. Live at Federal Appeals Court, Tristan Land, Eyewitness News.
Tristan, thank you. DA Williams is scheduled to appear at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Look for updates on our later newscasts and, of course, on our app and online.